You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Okay, let's learn how to pronounce once and for all this name correctly. If you want to learn more names from Vietnamese that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you coming up at the end of this one. So the Vietnamese pronunciation is as Nhi. Yes, it comes from Vietnam originally. It means little one, little one. Nhi, Nhi would be the Vietnamese pronunciation, but in English it's simply said, pronounced as Nhi. Nhi, yes it is. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.